You've been waiting for that hot spring real estate market to buy or sell your home, and now the time is here. What are the tips and tricks you need so you can be successful? If you're new here and you want important market updates and to get notified whenever we publish content just like this, make sure to hit that big red subscribe button and the bell next to it to get those notifications. We're shaking off winter here in Nashville. The dogwoods are blooming and we're officially in the spring market. Hallmarks of this market are a rise in both buyer and seller activity as everyone looks to be settled in their new home before they head south to the beach for the long dog days of summer. How do you set yourself apart from the masses? How do you make the most of spring real estate season? Here are my top 3 tips for both buyers and sellers. Sellers first. Your home has been your sanctuary, your place to relax after a long work week. Your home has its yoga pants on, but now it's time to get her cleaned up for her big debut. So, seller tip number 1, make your home stand out. Look at your home with new eyes. Pretend you're a buyer. Messy landscaping, wall scuffs, and dusty vents can seem like little stuff to you, but in the eyes of a buyer, those things can hint that there are larger unseen issues. Make your home sparkle, declutter, repair, clean, paint, get her ready for the prom. Seller tip number 2, gauge your competition. Think of yourself like a buyer. What homes are in your area? What is listed right now? How do you stack up? Look at their pictures, their yard, their price. How long have they been listed? Be better than your competition. Be the one you'd pick as a buyer. Seller tip number 3, price realistically. You love your home and it's hard to put a value on something you love. Detach yourself. Do your best to let go of the emotional piece and take a clear, candid look at what homes are selling for. Keep it simple and come up with a price range you are comfortable with that fits what you see out in the market. All right, buyers, you're up. This is your dance. You get to be the belle of the ball and look over all your possibilities. So how do you prepare to not only find the one, but make it yours? Buyer tip number 1. Refine your search. Nashville is big and you will spend a lot of time and energy fruitlessly wandering around unless you can clarify exactly where you want to be. If you need help, this month's Lux Q&A will help you laser focus your search. Buyer tip number 2. Understand your buying power. Whether you're paying cash or working with a lender, you have a price range in mind. Before you see the one, get really clear on what your top end of comfortable looks like. We want to aim at the number that makes you thrilled, not terrified at the closing table. Buyer tip number 3, do the backwards math so you understand your timing. When would you like to be settled in your new home? A standard closing time is 30 days. How long would you like to comfortably search for your home? If you find something you love, is your timing flexible? Map this out so you are prepared. So that's it. I've simplified it here, but I know buying and selling are one of the most stressful things we do with both emotional and financial impacts on us. Let us carry the weight. You may do this once or twice every 10 years, but we have the benefit of 17 years of working through these big moments with our clients. So whether it's us or another reputable agent, you don't have to do this alone.